So today I want to talk about some things that I have learned today. I'm reading a book. It's a Cisco Press book. Yeah. The should probably noticed. This is the book that I've been studying or reading for a couple of days now, or maybe for a couple of weeks. And I'm actually reading chapter 2 or studying chapter 2, and I want to talk about some terms that I think that I should not forget, or that I should understand and not forget about them, like forever. So number one is collision domain. Collision domain is just it's just equals to one switch port, and that's it. One switch port equals to collision domain. Yeah. And a known unicast flooding. What is a known unicast flooding? As the name suggests, if a switch receives a frame that has a destination MAC address that it's not in the MAC address table, what the switch floods that frame to all the port except the receiving port, and that is called a known unicast flooding, because the destination is not, the MAC address destination is not in the count table. And multilayer switching. What is multilayer switching? If someone asks you what is multilayer switching, multilayer switching is involved. If I haven't read the book, and I haven't, it's not fresh to me yet, I would answer the question. The multilayer switching, it involves layer 3 switch. It involves a layer 3 switch that does the routing, and that is also correct, but I think the more detailed, the better answer would be, it is a switch that forwards frames based on the layer 3 and layer 4 information in the contained in the packet. So basically, a switch that can do that cannot only do layer 2 forwarding, but can also do layer 3 and layer 4 forwarding. And let's talk about tables used in switching. Number one is content addressable memory, or count table, or some people say MAC address table. Basically, the content addressable memory is the count table, or is the switch table for layer 2 forwarding. If a frame comes in a port, the switch records its MAC address, the port, and the VLAN that it MAC address belongs to. So that is basically the content addressable memory, or CAM table. We also have ternary content addressable memory, or TCAM. This is something that it's not really popular in real world, because this is this is actually running. The switch is running it by default. You don't have to go in and configure it. But you can verify its utilization by doing this command: show platform TCAM utilization. And that's it. That's all you can do. Just verify it. It's, like I said, it's not something that you can configure like the CAM table. You can actually it's not here, but you can actually set an interface to have a static MAC address. The command is not here, but it's just very simple. I'm going to look up here. I think it's here. Yeah, the command is MAC address table is static, and the MAC address, VLAN, and the VLAN ID in the interface. Yeah. So, like I said, you can also clear a MAC address that is learned dynamically. Yeah, and this is the command. You have to do this in configuration mode. So again, the command is clear MAC address table dynamic address and the MAC address interface, the type number, VLAN, and the VLAN ID. And you can also show the count, the size of the MAC address table, and this is the command here. And you can show a specific MAC address that is learned on an interface, and this is the command. And you can also look for the interface that's associated with a MAC address, and this is the command here. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Speaking from experience, I haven't really tried this command here. Here, for example, with this command, I just do show MAC address. I don't type in the word dynamic. I just do show MAC address, interface, and the type number, and that's it. And then I can see the MAC address, the source MAC address, the port number, and the VLAN that MAC address belongs to. So yeah, let's also talk about managing switching table sizes. You can verify this by doing a show STM prefer think the default template is default, as the name suggests, and you can actually go ahead and manually configure it by doing I think you have to do this in the configuration mode, SDN prefer, and the template. For example, the templates are default, access, routing, dual IP, IPv4 and IPv6. So for example, you have to use the switch. You needed to run IPv6. You have to do this command, SDN prefer dual IPv4 and IPv6, and you can choose the default template. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna talk about more stuff in the future. So, thanks for watching.